I am unboxing a Stanley Tucci frying pan made in Italy that I have been loving on and waiting for, and finally saved enough money to make the purchase today. Stanley Tucci collection, very exciting. This is what the box looks like. Am I doing the boxing right? Unboxing?
Yeah.
So this Stanley Tucci frying pan is a frying pan that I will use every single day. Before I unveil it, I will show you. This is my current frying pan that I use every single day, and it's pretty worn out. So I've been waiting and saving for the Stanley Tucci. This is the teal Stanley Tucci. It is a non-stick that is embedded with diamonds. Can you see the diamonds? Do you see it sparkling? Sparkle?
I zoomed in.
And we're gonna start, this is the beautiful teal color. We're gonna start by washing it in some hot soapy water. How do I look? You don't have to season these pans. You just have to wash them in some hot soapy water. Dry them off. Oh my gosh, look at this handle. It's so heavy and beautiful. Look at that color. And then dry it with a soft cloth. Now, Conrad, I know that you are my dishwasher.
Yeah.
This special pan cannot have anything but a soft washcloth, so we can't use any
Does it look like I care?
hard abrasive things. You should, because this is very important and special.
No, Dad. Don't.
Okay.
Do
So,
not.
The first thing I am going to cook on my Stanley Tucci frying pan is
Fried ham.
eggs.
Wait, right now?
Yes, right now I'm going to make eggs.
Oh, okay. Then if
So-
you're doing that, then I'm going to show you how you really do a video.
Wait, are you still filming?
Yes, I'm still.
So what I learned about the Stanley Tucci collection is that it really doesn't need high heat. It needs pretty low heat because it cooks so fast. And the pans heat up really fast.
Oh, which one is it?
And I also learned you cannot use like the same, I had the same brand before, but a different, like a lower level. You can only use oil or butter. And I learned from a wonderful person at Williams-Sonoma that using avocado oil, which has a higher smoke point, is less, it's less harsh on your pans. Extra virgin oil, olive oil, actually it has like a lower smoke point. And so we start, that might be a little too much for eggs. I'm gonna just get rid of some of that.
Yeah.
Okay.
Don't too
Now-
much do in.
Conrad, I'll hold the thing.
I want to crack the eggs.
You crack the eggs.
Okay, I'm coming.
Okay.
I'm coming. Now let's crack.
Hang on, I wanna,
So,
here we go.
depends on how many eggs you want to crack. Gently.
Oh, quick. There's one. Look at that beautiful pan.
Ready?
Mm-hmm. Beautiful. Okay. I'm going to give this back to you, my
Take
love.
this out and just.
Oh, that is a great way to add the egg. Okay.
Oh, we should just crack it over here and then just pour it all in there.
All right.
All right, there's the. Look at those juicy eggs.
So I usually
Mm,
like
looks
to
so
add a
good.
little bit of my Penzeys garlic salt and a dash of pepper. Now I think this might be a little too low. I like maybe a little bit higher. What are you showing them? So the eggs are cooking very nicely. I have it on like
Perfect blue flame
a
too.
little less than medium. Oh, so pretty. So what I also
Wait,
splurged,
listen to that sizzle.
I bought myself this beautiful
Oh, I
spatula.
didn't get it.
Oh, I bought myself this beautiful spatula.
Let me zoom. Hold it still. Let me zoom in on the design.
And it's Williams and Sonoma.
Listen to it sizzle.
Because you can't use anything sharp. So I bought this spatula.
Shh, Mom. Listen to it sizzle. Alright, sizzle. Yeah. Alright, we're gonna pause the video real quick. Sizzle, you guys. Listen to that. That's the kind of good egg you want.
Okay, so now we're gonna turn down the heat a little bit. And we're gonna do the flip.
Can I do it?
I'm gonna do the inaugural flip. I'll let you do another flip.
I do
So
the flip.
what's amazing about these pans?
Oh, it's a smiley face.
It is a smiley face.
See?
This one might not work so well because but what's amazing, see how like amazing and loose those are? Okay, you gotta get a full video on this one. Ready?
Watch this, guys. 3, 2. Oh, good job.
Wow, what a flip. What a flip.
Let me add the salt. Here, Mom, you
You
take
mean the pepper? Okay.
Yep. All right, add some pepper.
And then we turn off the heat, right?
Salt.
Because it's pretty much done cooking. Oh, not too much.
And then we turn down the heat and put it on low.
No, we just turn it off.
Oh.
And now I'll give you oh, I have a new plate.
And then,
Hey, we're gonna slide them on a plate. Okay, hold the video.
oh no, I want to do it.
I know, but I'm gonna get a fancy new plate.
All right.
Mom really likes beautiful plates.
Hey, recorder here.
And so, in addition,
My lips are chapped. Don't judge.
in addition to my new pan, I splurged and got myself a Valentine plate.
Look at that. It's beautiful. Look at that heart. I bet that's how much.
right.
That's how much you love yourself.
Conrad, I'm gonna let you plate the eggs.
Let's go.
Beautiful. Okay, should we try them and see if they're any good?
If I like them, they're extra good because I don't like eggs. All right, I'm gonna add a little extra salt to mine.
Are you sure? Okay. Probably a lot of salt.
Pretty good. Don't really care for it, but it's good.
Great. Thanks for watching the Mommy Son Cooking Show.
Unboxing, Mom.
What are you supposed to say? Like click to subscribe or whatever.
No.
Click to subscribe.
Oh, look at that yolk. Mom, look at the yolk.
Okay, say
Watch.
goodbye to your
Watch,
fans.
Ready?
Yeah, it's pretty.
That's the good stuff.
Yep.